we are going to practice applying the concept of solving proportions to a real-life scenario. Imagine that you have 3 pineapples that cost $7. I'm going to begin by setting up my proportion. I know that pineapples we are going to practice solving a proportion based on a real-life scenario. Suppose you can buy 3 pineapples for $7. How much would it cost for 5 pineapples? To begin, we're going to set up 2 ratios. Pineapples over money will be equivalent to pineapples over money. What's important here is that the labels match on the top and then again on the bottom. If you chose to put the money on top, that would work as long as in your other ratio you also have money on top and then pineapples on the bottom. As we go forward, it's important to pay attention to which numbers you're using with which ratio. For example, if I go forward using 3 pineapples over $7, those can be in the same ratio because they're grouped together in the problem. Then my next ratio will have 5 pineapples. Again, notice that I have 3 pineapples on top and now 5 pineapples on top over an X amount of money because that's what the question is about. We don't know how much 5 pineapples cost, but that's what we're going to solve for. Then we're going to use our principles of cross multiplication. We're going to take 3x and multiply those, and 7 and 5 and multiply those. The result would be 3x equals 7 times 5. Let me get us a little bit more space here. Just a moment, please. Then I'm going to proceed with the math that I'm able to do easily. 3x will stay the same, but 7 times 5 is 35. I've gone another step, but I still don't have the answer because x is not alone. 3 is currently being multiplied times x, so to undo it, we would have to divide. We're going to divide both sides by 3, which leaves us with x, because 3 divided by 3 is 1, allowing them to cancel. And 35 divided by 3 is 11.6666, so on, repeating, that you'll see if you use your calculator. However, if we are trying to solve for money, we would need to round to the second decimal place because that is the customary decimal place when we're talking about money. Our result then with the rounding would be $11.67.